ile story nataka kukupatia. It's a painful story and it started long time. And I'm serious when I say what I've told you. And I was serious what I've told you.
Go on.
In this case, I can see the way it's going, but I will remain faithful. I'll tell the truth for God to come for my rescue.
That's what I want.
Hata hii kesi ikanipeleka jela, I will remain faithful to God, but I want you to listen to this. Ujue, even with what I was telling you, I was serious. You have hit me, and I felt it. When I was in class 8, my mother went to see her sick mother, and she happened to stay for 2 weeks. It's true, I don't have a sister. It's only 2 brothers. Now, one day, I'm the one who was cooking for everyone, being the second born. This particular day, I cooked as usual. I served everyone, but my father had not arrived. So, when he came, he was drunk. I served him food. Before he started eating, he got hold of my hand and started talking to me about how good girl I am. I was so bright in school. He said that he loves his mother. I'm named after his mother. That he's happy that I am bright.
Wait a minute. He raped you? Ni mzee aina gani? Then what happened?
After my mother came, she realized I was vomiting because even after that day, that is what my father used to do every day.
What? Oh my God.
So, when my mother came, she realized that I was vomiting. I was having this morning news just every morning. Then she started accusing me of probably I'm moving around with some boys. Then my father also joined in the same chorus. That probably I've become naughty. nimeashame familia. And I left. I was 5 months. I was thrown out of my home. And I went and I got a job of house help. That didn't. She took care of me like her own daughter. I gave birth to my daughter. I got employed to give my child food. And after she became 6 years. I got married. But all along, she has always been a bad memory to me. She always reminds me of those moments that I was so innocent. That's somebody to.
Kagure, are you telling me huyu msichana ako hapa ni your sister and your daughter?
Yes.
Huyu ni mwanaume anegani? What kind of a father is that?
No, I've not finished. When I got married, before my husband became a chief, we had struggled so much. My father was always calling me home, telling me to go back home. But I knew I cannot face him. He searched. Or what, even my mother does not talk. One day, my mother came, trying to talk to me. I was bitter with her. She didn't listen to me when I really needed her. I told her that this daughter of mine belongs to your husband, my father. You know what? A mother that I would have thought she would come handy for me, she told me that I'm the one who was ruling my father. I was like, Jesus!
Your mom? Mamako? Mzazi? Alikwambia hivyo?
Now, you've seen my daughter. After the death of my husband, he has come twice, threatening me. The moment you showed me these specs, these do not belong to my husband. He never used to put such.
What?
This does not belong to my husband. He's more brown and a bit more fashionable. I'm going to surprise you. These beds belongs to my father.
What? My God.
I'm asking, I'm requesting, when you see me packing, I want to go far.
It's okay, it's okay.
I want to go far. I don't want to kill myself because I have no peace.
It's okay. It's okay.
I want to take
I understand.
my daughter.
No, it's okay. Nakuelewa sasa. Nakuelewa. My God. What? I mean... Okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. 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 Just calm down. Kagure, just calm down. Tulia. Nakuelewa sasa. Now look. You see, nilimuita commander, the chief, the police chief. Na he might be mahali ako, ni lazima awe anakutafuta. So we must think, ni lazima tujue vile sababu anakutafuta.
No, please.
Yeah.
Please.
It's okay. It's
you see, I've said it. Let them not know.
I'm sorry about that.
Do your ways out to get him.
It's okay.
Because they will say that I took my father.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay. It's okay.
Protect me.
I'll handle it. Just we're tulia tu. Now I'll make sure that you are okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Catherine. Come and say hi to the detective.
It's okay. Hi. Sasa.
Go back. She doesn't know the story. She doesn't. I don't know what to tell him. How to tell her. I don't know how to tell her. I don't know.
It's okay. Let's just think and see what we can do. Yeah, good?
Yes.
Okay, now. Tufanye hivi. Sababu huyu komanda wa huyu chief, police chief, ambaye hii kesi anaiangalia sana. Na kama vile nilikuwa nimekawia, anaweza kuwa anakutafuta. We don't want that now. Sasa. So vile mtafanya, kuna mahali mtaenda. hata to book a hotel. Alright? Once you do that, mwende hapo na msiwe na movement za nje sana. I will see how I'm going to handle him sasa. Lakini for now, what is very very important is your own safety and her safety. Okay? So, but mambo itakuwa sawa, hakuna shida. Nimekuelewa, mambo itakuwa sawa. Sasa, so I think we can, sababu tutajua bila